Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. Don't mind me, I'm just chilling on a freaking Sunday because why not? So I look like this, which is absolutely fine, but I hope you guys are having a great freaking day. Welcome to another vlog. It is going to be over the next couple days, so I'm excited to take you guys around town. No, I'm going to be showing you guys a house update, my nighttime skincare routine that was just updated, and that, yeah, that's good. That's basically going to be what I'm going to show you guys during this vlog and just see what I get up to. So I just want to say hello, welcome, hope you guys are having a wonderful, fantastic day. I'm in a great mood. I'm ready for the start of a productive week, and I hope you guys are too. But anyway, let's go ahead and get right into the vlog. This is the vibe. Also, these slippers, Amazon, they're fabulous. You guys need to grab them. I'll leave them in the description box. They're so comfy, warm, perfect for winter. Okay, so I'm in the bathroom now, and it is just a lazy Sunday evening. I just showered and I haven't done anything with my nighttime skincare yet, and I wanted to share with you guys what I've been using the past couple months that I have been loving, especially for my acne. So I'm excited to have you guys in here to show you guys my new routine. You know how obsessed I am with skincare and how important it is that everybody should have a good skincare regimen, especially because I'm 23. I have really found to actually care about my skincare routine, especially because like in my teenage years I literally did not care that much, and then I got into my 20s and I thought to myself, I really need to be taking care of my skin with great products. So I'm excited to show you guys my skincare routine tonight, this evening, and I just feel so cozy and nice in my little pajama set. So anyway, I want to show you guys what products that I have been using, so let's get started with that. So I did want to say thank you so much, Curology, for sponsoring this portion of the vlog. I'm so excited to be partnering with them to show you guys how amazing their products are. And I'm not the only one who thinks they're amazing as well, because my sister also actually uses Curology too and loves them, and they are just such a great company for skincare, especially if you guys are going through like acne or uneven skin tone. For example, this is my customized cream. So here is the back of it. That's what's in my bottle. So whenever you guys get your Curology, it might not be the same exact thing for you, because you do need to fill out a questionnaire that kind of goes over what your skin type is. So that's really nice, because they really go into depth within that portion, because they really care about, you know, you guys having good skin. But we do have the cleanser, we have the customized cream, and then we do have the moisturizer. So it's a three-step situation that I'm going to be showing you guys tonight. So you will be getting your customized plan through your dermatology provider. So just go to their website, and an amazing thing that they are going to be providing you is that you can get 1 month just by paying shipping and handling, which is $4.95. So to get a whole month of skincare for under $5 is so amazing. So I'll leave that link down in the description box so you guys can check that out. So definitely do that, because I highly recommend using Curology. So as some of you guys may know my skincare journey, I have always struggled with acne, like really bad. I'm not kidding. I have struggled with acne since I was probably like 13 or 14, my early teens, and I have still struggled with it just now. So as you can see, I have a couple of different breakouts here. So the main reasons for my breakouts is, one, well, my period monthly, and then when I get stressed, I get really bad breakouts a lot of the time, which really sucks, especially because right now I am moving and I'm going through like a major life change. So the stress has been real, so Curology has literally saved me on that end. But I wanted to show you guys a little bit more of a close-up, so let me get you off here. So as you can see, my skin definitely, I have some acne scarring and uneven skin tone, and then just some breakouts. I don't have any acne like current breakouts right now, which is really nice, and it's kind of rare. So These are just kind of like going away now, so that's really nice. So I've just been using Curology, and that has been helping tremendously with my acne. But just a little bit more about Curology, and I'll show you guys how I use their products and what they kind of look like. So when you go to the website, you answer the questions. You'll be paired with a dermatology provider, so they'll just analyze your skin. And when they do that, they just really make sure that you are getting the best possible formula for you and your skin. So if you get a bottle, it might not be the same as obviously mine or like your friend's bottle. It'll all be different ingredients, all of that. But also it is more than just acne. So if you guys don't struggle with acne, you are so lucky, but you can also use it for anti-aging concerns, which I find that huge, especially since I'm in my 20s. That's super important to me as well. But when you do go on the website, you will have to take some photos of your face, which is super easy to do, but this just helps make sure you're getting the best plan for you. So I really like how they do that. They're not just like gonna like never see your skin and be like, oh, this is what you need. So they actually literally analyze your skin through those photos. So you take those photos and then your plan will get sent to you. And again, it's all under $5, which I think is awesome for that first month. So make sure you guys check that out. But now that was a little bit about them, I'm gonna show you guys how I use Curology. Okay, the trick with washing your face is getting a nice clean towel to dry. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to take the cleanser. I'm going to use my spin brush, and then let's cleanse the face. Okay, so after that is done, that was the cleanser, and now I'm going to be using the white bottle, which is my customized cream. So I want to show you guys the consistency and what it looks like. So here we go. And then I kind of just rub it and then pat it on my face so you guys can kind of see that consistency. So this is a nighttime product, so make sure you guys are using this at nighttime. And then up next is the moisturizer. So I'm gonna let this sit for about a minute, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use the moisturizer, and that'll be the end of my skincare routine. So super easy, quick, and effective. Okay, so the moisturizer is a little bit different of a consistency, and this product you can also use in the morning. And then I always like putting it down on my neck. Okay, that is the end of my nighttime skincare routine. So now it's just time to chill. I'm gonna do some work and then maybe put on a Christmas movie. Who else is starting to watch Christmas movies, and who's excited for the holiday season? I'm so ready. I cannot believe it's literally November. I think that is the most crazy thing. I feel like it was just New Year's. So anyway, I'm gonna do that, but I wanted to thank Curology again for sponsoring this video. And just a reminder, make sure you guys check out the link in the description box to check them out, because they are such an amazing company and brand that does so well. So check them out, and then let's keep going with the vlog. So good morning. I am just about to put on something on my face so I feel a little bit better for the day. So that is what I'm doing now. I'm just starting with my Tula moisturizing face filter primer. It is a great primer. I love using it. It really does blur out your pores, and it just makes you look like you have an even skin tone, because I feel like I don't have that often. So that's amazing. And this literally takes me like 5 minutes. I am not doing a lot at all because I don't have that much going on today, but it is currently 11 o'clock and I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I have a call, like I have a really important work call at 2, and then I have another one at 12:30, I believe. So I can't really like go out or anything. I was gonna go to the store, but I thought maybe I should just stay home, but it's a nice day, so I kind of wanted to get out of the house for a little bit. But I also wanted to show you guys the house progress. I'm actually going to take my 2 p.m. call over at the house just because it's a little quieter and my dogs bark, and it's a super, super important call. So I think I might do that. So while I'm over there, I think I'm going to show you guys kind of what the house progress is. So the floors are getting laid. My boyfriend is doing that and they look so good. I'm so excited. But I wanted to go to like the store to get like something to make for dinner, because typically we go over there in the evenings and then work there for like hours. And I don't know about you guys, but I can't ever work when I'm super hungry. So I always need to plan ahead. So I don't know, I might go to the store and get like some frozen meals, or I might just make some jambalaya real quick and just pack it up and then heat it up over there. So I don't know what I'm in the mood for, because I just don't know. I just don't know what I'm doing today. But I just made a TikTok. I freaking love TikTok. I'm not gonna put it on with sound just because there's me. I might get copyrighted. So follow me on TikTok at kali.alexandria. It's the same as my Instagram handle. I love, love, love TikTok. So you guys follow me on there. I share a lot of business tips. But anyway, that was my little makeup routine. I don't think I'm gonna do anything to my hair. I need some dry shampoo. Does anybody else have these like little curly pieces like this in the front? Over it. Just over it. Also, this is just stressing me out. I have so much to pack up still, but I hate when things are like really messy and unorganized. Anyway, all the moving things, because I am moving so soon and I need to start packing up because I really haven't yet. I should have known this was gonna happen. I don't really feel like going to the store, so I'm just gonna make some jambalaya. 2 tablespoons of this. This is hard to do one-handed. I might fail. Ah! Yep. Here's one. There's 2. Why, you want some? You want some jambalaya? Is that what you want? Fancy seeing you guys around here. What do you guys want? Is that what you're waiting for? Boop! Boop! Come here. Over here. Over here. Okay, hold on. You sit too. You sit too. High five. High five. Ready, sit. Sit. Excuse me, sir. Are you mocking me? No. Okay, you guys. I'm here at the house and I wanted to show you guys the floors. Ah! Disregard the dirt. It looks nasty. But the floors are going in. Everything is starting. Are you done? Everything is starting to come together. We got the countertops measured yesterday. So we're gonna get quartz countertops over here. And then this is actually gonna be an island. So you guys might remember it used to be like on the end right here. But we're gonna put wheels on it and make it an island just to free up this space a little bit more. So super excited about that. But let me know what you guys think of the floors. The first step in laying floors is making sure it lines up just like this. You gotta really make sure. And then you take this block thing, hit it with this hammer looking thing, and then you'll have a nice floor like this. Woo! Okay, sorry it's loud because of the fan, but I'm just working in the master bathroom today. I spray painted this whole shower. It was a really yellow, gross color. So everybody's been spray painting their showers, so I decided to do that just because it's a little bit more of a budget-friendly option instead of buying a whole new shower. But now I'm just currently painting all of this.